Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the ToughBuilt Extra Large Rolling Massive Mouth Tool Bag. Okay. Bag, nice and thick. Looks good. Let's see. Feels nice. That feels nice. It is new, but we'll see with time. Nice and big. Compare it to the one I have, hard shell Stanley. There you go, you can see it. The Stanley is hard shell, 2 wheels, but it's already broken in one end, and the handle's already broken off too. I use this for travel, load up my tools on plane or on my truck, in my truck. See, okay. The bag is taller, not by a lot, but it's not as wide. It's not as long. They're about the same wide, but not as long. A little bit taller. Let's see. So we can fit all our crap in here. Okay. So I have to fit most of the things I have here. I can always carry this bag around. Fits in here fine because it's longer than this bag, but with this bag, should be able to carry it. This one's a little too bulky. Carrying from the middle sucks. Can't really carry from here, from upstairs. Get all the tools out of here. Hold on, this is the long saw that I have. I want to see if it fits. Not really. But I've used it maybe once or twice. Okay, yeah, it won't fit. Okay. So. Square. And there's those. I'd always need this. Yeah. Compass. Notch thing. Still use this from time to time. Just tips for the phone. Well, nippers. Flathead screw. Never know what I need. Little saw. There's a lot of things in here. Still got some space. I don't know about these though. So good, and also got the attachments for up here on the front. Clips. More pockets inside, but if you're traveling, there's no reason to put them up here in front because they're just gonna fall. But it does have even more pockets on the sides. Good. Handles. It's obviously heavy, but better than this one. The reliability of it, I don't know yet because I haven't actually worked with it, moved it around. But it looks good. A lot of pockets on the front, on the sides, and there's the clip thing. So it looks pretty strong. The handle feels good too. Just have to work with it a couple months and see how it holds up. You can see in here, I don't think there's an actual way to lock it. So my stuff, there's still more space. Such as my knee pads, my apron thing. I'll carry most of your things. And if you're organized, I'll probably carry even more. So far, all my tools fit. Looks good. Well built. Handle's good too. Isn't big, sturdy. Should be really good for. They let me travel with that one. This one's way better. Has wheels. This one's kind of a hard shell. It just has the canvas, the inner lining, and a little bit on the sides. But this is shell. This is plastic. But the wheels look good. Have to travel around with it, work with it, and see how it holds up. But it got to me well. Looks good. Good quality. I just have to try this. The old one I had. This one's slightly taller, but that one's longer. And I have to move it around too when I'm at work. See how annoying it is. But because it has the wheels and the handle, it should be fine. So it should be good. Just have to carry it up and downstairs and then just roll it. That's good.